some Palase action. Yeah.
Palase.
One team.
Southeast corner.
Roger
Baronin
that.
and Baronin.
Okay.
We're going
man.
north now. Good far side.
Not blue. Only 2 up.
More yellow. He's resing insta on my mark corner. Left side.
Perfect day.
Fade out.
Knock that guy.
Did you knock the guy in green?
Yeah, knock the guy green. Yep.
Or not?
Yeah.
Nice.
There's some fishers. Some fishermen.
Maybe fine.
Thank you. I can mortar it.
Do it.
This tier.
Tell me where. Tell me where.
1 second. Pull up my my cheats real quick.
Give me the coordinates.
Getting to a spot. Hold up.
Mortar's ready. Mortar is hot.
Do not deplete mortars yet. Do not deplete mortars.
Fire!
I do not deplete. Oh, dude. Oh my god, he's in the corner on blue. Corner blue. Corner blue. Mortar
Fire.
blue. Mortar blue. Mortar blue.
Fire.
Rounds go hot. Rounds hot. Rounds are wet.
Rounds
wet.
are wet. Tell me that shoulder.
One on blue. It's a free kill. If you did math and
That
high
first
school, you
one.
should have this kill
How
right
far? Plus 50? Minus 50?
now. Minus 50. Minus 50. Minus 50. Now.
Fire.
It's a perfect mortar. It needs to be a little shorter than that last one. It should be the one. Oh my god, it was right on top of him. No way, dude. It would needed to be like 5 meters shorter. Bruh. Oh, that last one was the one. Holy fuck, you went inside.
Got
That could have been
scared.
something, dude. That could have been tactical.
I lived through your comms though. I was excited.
You can feel it, right?
That thing.
I saw it, dude. I saw it all.
Ooh, I got a secret room key.
Ooh.
Ooh.
At least one guy blew.
Attack.
2 men at least.
One's running out.
Yeah,
Yellow.
he's running at us.
To our hill.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah.
We
He's on the
flashed.
tree, I think, on
He's
green.
pulled his hill right here and just pull up here.
No, he's on the car.
Good knock, Ash.
One's on the truck running back.
I'm gonna pull up.
Forward.
Walk inside. Keep res, Ethan. Nading back room.
Okay. Roof.
Yeah, I did not res actually.
Where's this guy on the right?
He was actually on our markers, but he ran back. I think he might
Be the
have ran
dragon
on
off
the train.
guy. Be the dragon off guy, I guess. Be in the flesh.
One
Hello?
bolted me from across.
Yeah, he's on yellow.
Let's find this guy at.
2 across from
Oh,
me.
different. We're stopping just in case.
Good knock.
This
He
guy's
might actually
driving.
be in green.
Sounds.
No, that's fine,
Okay.
He's still kill. That should be the
man. Oh,
solo.
yeah, just
Oh, I fucked up my. Flashing the inside.
Okay, go ahead. Not in there. Maybe we can grab the car.
got 2 instas here.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
This
oh
guy.
my
Yeah.
god.
I
You
think
have
I
dragon
got
off.
Pill.
Far.
Knocked 1.
Good knock. I'm following up already.
Almost. I knocked 1 right rock and 1's hurt orange.
Third.
I don't know.
One
2
more
on yellow rock, 2 on yellow rock. Maybe 3 if he's shooting already.
Made in yellow rock.
Or just
Knocked on yellow.
Knocked yellow.
Oh, okay.
Flush. Still more. Knock on blue, knock on blue. Maybe close to me.
We're getting in hot, Ash. All done.
Let's go secret room.
I don't know what one is.
Orange.
You need anything?
Ah,
Got a big scope.
it'll be okay.
Okay. The orange.
I jumped out. Whoops.
Okay.
Actually, if you need, there's an extended mag in the car.
We have a
Okay,
Dossie
thanks.
instead. Each one. I'm gonna
Got
grab
an
you.
E pickup.
I want to get 2 of them.
Later. Ooh, glider here. We have C4 too.
Yes, sir. Do you have one too, or are you talking about mine? Nice.
Tesla.
We
X
do a
in here.
little flying. Need 5s.
Cell phone.
Ooh,
Let's take the
links.
the
links.
links. Yeah, get the links. Then we have to get Ash one.
Well, let's get the 6X.
They have one.
I
have an
got
8.
Yeah, we're chilling.
I have 5s. I have none out.
Here, I'll just drop you half of mine.
I dropped some in here.
Easy.
The baby driver.
Okay, remember, if we see Birdom, we use links.
Yeah, don't forget, dude. Don't forget the link.
Ah!
It shoots through the window.
Maybe I should
Yeah.
grab this card.
Oh, does it? Well, I guess so, but it doesn't
That's
like
what I've
armor
heard.
pierce, does it? Like it doesn't.
I've
I
heard
guess
that.
It wouldn't armor pierce.
Someone once told me to use it when they saw a birdum.
Maybe we look for gas here.
We do it. We do
We
it.
might as well get roleplay this game. We'll get Ashen and Cat in the glider.
Oh, I don't know
Okay.
if you want that.
No, we do want
We're
that.
both-
The
we're
fact that
not
you said
good
that, we have
landers,
to have that
That's the
happen now.
problem.
Here's the gas.
I had 2 good landings yesterday. I think I'm
Ooh,
getting
practicing.
better. Yeah.
Put an E pickup down in case we don't find gas soon.
Okay.
Why is gas always so hard to find?
Might not be meant to be.
Chicken.
I guess we're just brown pounders.
Down the line like crates
didn't
or
find
somewhere
gas.
safe. All aboard, all aboard.
5-5
An
if you need on green.
Chillin', chillin', chillin'.
Chilling.
Probably a fight on the crossroads right now, honestly. That's it.
Definitely fights in Hosan.
Car on our left driving on orange. It pulled
Oh,
up.
yeah, I see it. An Alamo. Cat called it.
I don't really know what people call it, but it sounded good.
It's a good call.
I don't see any cars at blue.
Neither do I.
Big
Yeah.
Sag.
Yeah, I'm down to just jump.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me grab a car over here. You have a porter near you, Ash.
Yeah, I'll grab it.
Oh, I see people in the crates on yellow. They're looting them right
Where?
now.
Yellow,
We're coming.
herd.
Oh my goodness, I see them as well.
I'm coming, Ash. Get
flying through the
me,
hill.
I could have landed on the.
I'm staying airborne. I'm getting shot at. I'm drawing fire. I'm
Okay.
drawing fire.
One's got an MG3.
Oh.
Oh.
They're gonna fight for the hill because that's where I'm going.
They on the
Oh, he's just
compound?
running down. He's just running down. Yeah, so I'll draw
I hit the
mine.
3-gear guy.
They're running like blue line.
One's on
They're over the
yellow.
field.
Ash, I'm gonna try to spray out of this, but shooting. Okay, thank you. Like spring out
They're
is so hard.
driving toward yellow now.
Oh, I
They
see
should
that.
all-
A car just sent it past us.
Yeah.
One's driving.
Oh, the one's on orange.
He knocked himself with the C4.
There's one on
No.
green.
Yeah, he
nice.
did.
Going left.
Oh.
Instantly punished.
Oh. I'm self-resing. Don't worry
yellow.
about me. Just smoke.
I'm still gonna
Yeah,
smoke
I'm
you though.
taking care of the yellow guy.
Where's this guy that
Where'd
knocked
you
you?
get
In
from, Ash?
Pretty close east.
the field, I knocked him.
Nice.
Really good plan.
All dead.
Nice.
Dude, what was that C4? Oh no.
It's a content play. He almost had it.
Definitely.
Almost.
A team sent it past us and crashed crossroads. We could go back that way. We got these crates. These crates would be good. I think they're gonna feed us.
That was a flare. Car driving on my east. It's flipped. It's like about to go on the
Is
road.
it silent?
No, it like flipped.
Oh.
Hit something. It's straight east of me. It didn't keep going.
Got running the open on blue.
Yeah.
Two on blue. Two on blue.
Okay.
The
Right to the
guy.
west right
That's
now.
them,
On
that's
new
them.
blue.
I'll just
How
harbor.
did I whiff?
Another car coming from the north right now.
Suck.
One was warehouse and the other one's in the field on orange.
I'm gonna try to nade into warehouse.
Knock the field guys, Ash.
Oh, both
One
of them?
warehouse, guys. One
Yeah.
more warehouse blue.
Okay.
Any
There's
warehouse
just
right
one
side.
warehouse.
I'm nading warehouse
You might have
again.
to figure right now.
Hello.
Hey, what up, dude?
Look.
Oh, this
Nice.
poor guy.
Jeez. Car driving north.
Shot at it. We're good.
Nice.
They're scared. Don't worry, guys. They're
Just
terrified.
spammed my links. Use
Was
a
that guy
bolt now.
talking? Was that guy talking to Smack?
No, he said good luck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Crates?
Nice guy. Like crazy. Oh, I have a gas can now.
Crates on Shane.
Not quite
Oh.
on me, just a little bit past.
Yeah, we go for those.
There, I think this compound got taken by the way. Blue marks. So just be careful.
Oh. People bloomer?
Go peek down on them.
Yeah, people green?
Guys, at least one blue. They seem killable, if you know what I mean.
I'm running at the war. North.
Yeah, we could clean up the north, get crates, and then kill. I think blue is
I like
5.
that. I like that agenda.
On my hill already, going for the crates.
Okay.
1 HP on this fucking tree right here. Can you see swap him, H1? 1 HP on blue.
Taking an angle.
Yeah, you're
We'll
good.
get a match.
I'm nading him now. Nate should get him. Oh,
Hey.
Nice.
They won by yellow.
He
Maybe I'm
was
nading
coming
it.
from the north, guys, so he should, yeah,
Yeah.
should be coming up.
Naded yellow.
Heard.
There's also guys at
One more,
orange.
blue mark.
In the open ash north.
Yeah, under.
He was right off.
Oh, not a
Huge
headshot.
ass, nice.
Knocked one north.
I didn't go up south.
I do. I hear a car too. I thought I was
Yeah,
going crazy.
Oh gosh, we'll be seeing it.
Or though, they might have
Yeah.
just backfilled us.
Oh my god.
Got it?
So,
Who would have seen it?
Be on the
Something
great.
awkward in H1. I don't know if you ever saw it.
Still people in the blue.
full team yellow orange compound. Mossy or ash if you want it.
Give it a flush.
No, I'm MG.
Alright,
I'm being, oh, I see. I'm being shot from green, now.
Yeah.
I think I
moss
can
on
take
us
that
if
really.
y'all need.
I would love it, but I don't think I can make it back to you guys without getting shot by green really quick.
People in the field on yellow ash.
He's peeking the staircase.
Okay, that east team's coming in now.
He's driving
Who is
in.
that? My back hole?
I'm knocked from very, very far.
We
Very
need to get our
safe.
cars and just get zone, to be honest.
Oh, thought I was safe. I'm in the smoke, I guess. You got the smoke? Heck.
Okay, everything's fine, Shane. This is the friendship race.
I feel safe.
Okay, nice.
Keep these
Nice.
southwest
I'm
guys,
out of
Ash.
smoke, though. Oh, yikes.
They got us zeroed, cat.
No,
I
no, they
can't-
don't.
I'm
I got
trying to
this
shoot
pan,
them,
and
but
it's
I
gonna
don't
be the
see them.
greatest. Oh,
Oh
crap.
my god, they're fucking trying to kill me.
Here,
Not
let me
see
stand in
him.
front of you.
Yeah, I was gonna
can't
say,
see
don't
them
go.
either.
Don't go yet. We have a car.
I have a coupe.
Ash had a Bertha.
We need
it
to get one of
rolled
you guys.
away.
Oh,
This is-
meow.
Okay.
Coming up to you right now.
Hop in with me, I will go get another car.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
I'll stay here.
Okay,
We're gonna go grab the
Yeah.
Bertha is the goal.
Okay.
Sounds
Boost
good.
up. The Bertha should have rolled towards yellow. They're gonna be able to shoot us, you should cover yellow side.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
They're driving
They're
out north.
driving out.
Yeah, we got the
They
porter
already
here.
drove out.
Okay.
They're missing a
big.
tire and they're driving.
Oh, there's a north.
Good
There's
boy.
okay.
Okay,
US
cars,
and-
look
Let's
at
grab them.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
still
yeah.
can. Up in ash.
Yeah.
Let's go, Shane.
I'm coming. Oh my god, that car just flipped. Holy shit, I'm
The
blue.
US one that's on fire.
Yeah, yeah, the smoking one,
Okay.
yeah.
Let's go take a side of crossroads that they're not on. There's like 3 corners. Really.
where's that,
We pull
yellow?
for like Yellow Hill. Yeah, go for
Okay.
yellow.
Yellow.
Follow me.
Alright.
And then if no one shoots on one of the corners,
They
I'll
made
call
it to
it.
the shack.
Alright, go left here.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
People on yellow, green hill.
Nice.
This close side looks free. Come
on.
come left, come
No.
left. Left. On me over here.
I'm
Hey,
not
come
gonna
over here.
stick my head out.
Over here.
God.
Wrong
Turn,
way.
cat, turn.
Cover you.
I think I was like
This
the
side was free.
fattest ass.
One got bottom.
Okay. No, you good shit.
Oh, no,
not from
across
bottom.
the street. Across the street.
I don't have smoke, sir.
Watch
I
it.
knocked across
Need a
street.
smoke. Need a smoke. Need a
No
smoke.
smokes, no smokes.
I have smoke. 1 second.
Is that a need? No,
Need
okay.
smoke. Need
Knocked one on
smoke,
yellow.
need
I don't
smoke,
have
need
You
any.
get no
smoke.
smokes.
You don't. Oh god. Oh wait, I have.
Okay, I'm letting you heal.
Poor chill.
I got my flush.
We have never been better.
Somebody res me.
Oh shit, I thought cat was.
Hunter.
Cat's got. I thought Cat had you.
She was
Oh.
healing. She got hit.
And then we were in full control, definitely on shams. That's what
I
happened.
think on the plus side, we're all staying calm in this situation, and that's what's good here.
Hey, we're all alive. I got my flush on
And
yellow.
we're fed. Okay. Nice.
We got running the open northeast. What the fuck? The shed team's
That's
running
the
at us.
shack team.
I had a team for you.
I hit one on my mark. They're fighting. I knocked one on the shed.
Nice.
One's yellow. 2 yellow rock side. I knocked another. 1 more yellow rock.
I do not have the angle that you have.
I'm sharing my window.
I'm peeking at orange.
I killed one across the street south. There's
Okay.
greens at least 2 I've seen.
Yeah.
And then across the street south's at least 2. Driving out of the car. I hit the US
One's got
guy.
a 3 helmet across.
Car? East?
Yeah. There's 2 there now on that hill.
Is this a ranked game, dude? Phase 5, 27 alive?
Yeah, I know. Good thing we got here.
I
That's
love
sick.
I feel like pubs have been so much fun lately. So many people running.
We're crashing west.
Oh, I got knocked from the west. I'm safe here.
Okay.
Second
You
knock.
smoke?
I think
got you.
Ashton. Great,
I'm. Yeah.
I got you. Boing.
Running north. Northeast. Two guys
Do I just
northeast.
hear somebody north?
Right here on yellow.
No. I don't know what I heard then. There's no way.
Or someone in the south.
You guys driving?
One more yellow.
That was just guy orange.
Nice.
Did it say
Stopped it
crushed
from
orange?
No, he was just trying to move his
The
car.
yellow's not in. You guys can farm them. They're about to
Yeah,
run
I'm
now.
looking. I'm
Two of 'em.
looking.
One's driving our edge right now.
Shoot yellow. Oh, one's not.
Nice tag.
That's one at his own. Blue.
Nice.
Can't get the flush though. He should get rezzed.
They're fighting west side. They're trading on our yellow side. But I don't know if we
One
can
might be
cross.
roof of orange.
I think I could push yellow if I wanted. I need smoke.
Yeah. I'm-
Still got
Your wall,
blue
H1 heads
hill.
up.
Yeah, he vaulted it.
Oh shit. That team is weak. People across street just lost
Oh.
2, by the way. They just lost 2 on yellow.
We can play late or we can smoke while they're now. One's running left on yellow.
I'm gonna do it late, H1. We can kill these south guys.
Still a guy green.
Heard.
Wait, silent. Oh no, the car
They
just. rolled.
They ran left dash on yellow, that team.
Okay.
Our team. Guess I'll get inside. That sounds smart.
Should be 2 up, still on blue, I think.
Yeah.
That's all I'm staring at right now.
Everyone's kind of got to move. They're gonna smoke street here, yellow. This team's a sweaty team. I think they're gonna push and then we shoot third party off that.
South's trying to draw right now.
They knocked one. The yellow team. They're gonna cross now.
Knock on the car.
Yellow team's crossing. We should be ready to third party it.
I still think there's people blue, right? Or
Yeah.
Dang it. Oh, they're
thought
running,
so.
running at his own, right to left, blue.
okay.
Oh my god, he
Oh
got
my God.
punted.
Steal that kill. Nice, nice.
And then
Watch
they
out,
dodge
blue,
it.
blue, blue, look across street. Bro, what the fuck is happening? That's where timing, guys. We should go.
Yeah, we should smoke line. Cross.
I know
Already
it's
You
smoked.
just take Bertha and crash it.
They crashed the
I
wall.
don't have smokes.
Crash yellow, Kat, if you got it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
One more on the north in the open. Shield.
He's 1 HP on that
I'm
shield.
shooting the shield.
Yellow, Kat.
He's dead on the shield.
Coming to help. Guys, I have a C4 for the end. Or just 1 HP. Help me, run with me, dude. Help.
I can't see him.
I'm gonna smoke.
Oh, I got BZ, dude.
There's C4 on my
His
body.
roof. If you have any nades. Nade roof right here on yellow,
Point
guys.
2.
Oh, I knocked him.
Nice, nice, nice. C4 on my
Holy
body,
shit,
guys.
that shot was
Good plant it
insane.
and then run away. And go hee-hee after.
Nading roof.
I don't like doing that.
Wait, why's there a bike on the crate?
Roof dead.
Nice, wipe.
Nice.
3 up, 3 up, 3 up.
I never cleared my house.
Could be good. Can you watch yellow rock guy? There's still one there.
Yeah? Oh, there is.
He's running.
Nice tag.
He's really hurt.
Oh, he's so low.
I have no lethals for that.
So it's him and then maybe 2 guys brick.
I can watch yellow.
Can you watch for me? I'm gonna C4 them on the brick.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't forget to go
Crazy.
hee.
C4 it. They gotta move.
That guy's 1 HP on green.
Both these teams have to move. Just hold.
He just salted out right.
Stopped.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice roof angle.
On green rock still.
Yeah, he just smoked me out.
Oh, you still want outside the building? On the tree.
He's on the wall of green. Nice.
Oh.